Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can retrieve or extract data from the hard disk of a faulty computer. So for some reason, if your computer is not working anymore and you would like to recover the data from your hard disk or to have the ability to use it, the possibility to use it, then this video is for you. So we will need an appropriate screwdriver, and some screwdrivers, they have this little plastic coming with their box, which is useful for removing some parts of the computer. In my case, I have multiple choices. If it's the case for you also, I will invite you to go through and to find the appropriate size to not damage the screw of your computer. So make sure to select the appropriate size. Once done, you can go ahead and try to open your computer. If you don't know how to open your computer, then you can just Google it and you will find videos about it. Do not try to force anything if it doesn't open easily with you, because sometimes you need to push up or push down or use a little plastic support to remove some parts of your computer. So if you are not comfortable with that, just go ahead, stop this video and go online and check how you can do it. Most computers, you can easily open them, as you can see in this video. So next step, I would just go ahead and remove the back of my the cover of my computer, and as you can see, this is the hard disk, and I will push from right and left side and push down and backward. Each computer has a different way of removing the hard disk, but most of them, they have the same way. You have to push from right and left side and push down. Here I have this little box, which is just simply an adapter, which costs about $5 to $6. You can buy it online, and with a SATA and USB also. So the SATA, it's also called SATA adapter. So the SATA, I will just plug it to my hard disk to fit. It goes usually easily, but just try to look before trying to do it to not break it, because there is a certain way to do it. Now I'll just put my hard disk inside the box, and I will just go ahead and plug my hard disk to a computer to retrieve the data or to use it as a storage device. So now guys, I will just go ahead and try to plug my hard disk to my computer, and it should now appear. As you can see here, I have it. And when I go to the PC shortcut, I have here my hard disk with 1 terabyte, and I can either use it as an external storage device, or I can just keep using the data from it. I hope this video tutorial is helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always write us a comment or just send us an email, and we'll do our best to help you. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.